Welcome YouTube, this is the Velvet Locks with another DIY video. And of course, 'tis the season, so we are going to be making another version of a Christmas wreath. We're going to be using the wooden wreath, and this is called the Wreath Couronne. And I bought this at Michael's for $19.99. Decorative flowers that I want to use, and this is our silver accented flowers, and I got this from Michael's for $12.99. This is also some nice. I also purchased a really nice bouquet of some really gorgeous like a slate blue flowers, a bouquet of flowers, and I paid $16.99 for this at Michael's. And I've also purchased these wonderful decorative jingle bells bulbs, and I got this at my local 99-cent store, and I only paid $1. And as well, I went to my Dollar Tree and I picked up some other nice decorative flowers. Okay, and they're silver accented, so they're going to give a really nice, beautiful sparkle on our nice wreath. And to top it off, this wreath I'm making for somebody special, so I'm going to do a signature wreath for them and with their last name. Okay, this is the letter of their last name. This is what we're going to need now to do this kind of wreath. So let's get started. If you're interested in finding out how to recreate this wreath for yourself or to make as gifts for your loved ones, stay tuned for the video. Now, the first step is trying to figure out how you want to arrange your wreath and your flowers. Now, I cut off the branches, the petals, the stems of the flowers, so this way I can figure it out and rearrange it myself. So what I'm going to do is probably do half of arrangement. I'm just going to stick these in on the side, inside of the wood. And I'm going to tack it down with some wire. I'm just going to tack down the flower now, just to make sure that it doesn't move. So I'm just going to wrap it around a piece of the twig. There we go. Now we're going to also insert some other ones. And there's no specific arrangement. It's to your liking. And you do the same with that as well. You take a little piece of the wiring and you tack it down. And you really don't have to, because it's really tight when it's inside the twigs. And there you go. Next, I'm going to mix it up a little bit and insert some of my other arrangements. And what you would need to do when you stick the stems through the wreath, you may have to tack it down from the back just to make sure that it's not all over the place. Make it nice and neat. So you're going to just tack down these wires, the wires of the stem that you're inserting through the wreath. And you just insert those in, no specific order. Okay, and that's what it looks like so far. Very nice. And you could barely see anything sticking out from behind, and it's nice and tight. Alright, so I'm just going to continue with some more of these beautiful embellishments and just keep sticking them inside the wreath. And then as you do that, you just fluff it out tack it down whichever you desire. So that's it with that. Now what I'm going to do is insert some more of my little round embellishments over here. So I want to try to fill in this area that's sticking up. Okay, and that's what it looks like for now. Alright YouTube, so I'm just basically just tacking everything down, making sure it's secure in the back. Alright YouTube, so this is what I came up with. I also put the bee right there in the middle. So when it's hanging, it'll be dangling from the top. You can make it, I could probably bring down the bee a little bit longer. And then what I want to do is probably carry this over a little bit more. I wasn't able to actually use these before. Maybe I might be able to now. Yeah, I'm gonna try to use my little jingle bells. See what I can come up, what creative ideas I can come up with that. Yeah, all right, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my little jingle bells. They don't make noise, but I'm going to wire them down on the wreath at the bottom. And I'm just going to insert another jingle bell on the top. All right, I'm just going to get some more wiring. And I'm just going to take my next jingle bell. I don't know why I call them jingle bells, but that's what they remind me of. And then you tie it down and twist it. Alright YouTube, so that's the end of our DIY. Okay, for your Monogram signature wreath. Alright, so let's put it at the door so you can see how beautiful it looks. Alright, and that's our wonderful personalized wreath. Alright, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.